Guys, welcome to SEMA 2024. This is WaySafe booth, and this is Braxton.
How you doing, Andre?
Good to see you again, dude.
Yeah.
So, of course, you're here displaying a lot of your products, but what I love about your booth here is that you have demonstrations.
Yes, we do.
People can see them and actually do them.
Yep.
So, can we try something?
Absolutely. So this is our weight distribution. So this is what what's represented here is the distributed weight with our weight distribution. How much weight can you distribute?
True toe.
True toe.
And we've used this in our videos, for our gauntlet. You basically want to distribute the weight between the truck and the trailer, make sure, everything is loaded properly. So what's going on here? Can I step up here?
Step up, and then let's see how much weight you can lift.
What if I touch these bars like far away? Let me try this first.
Don't hurt your back.
Okay, use my legs. Oh, what's the limit? How far can people go?
The furthest I've seen someone go is 1,500 pounds.
I'm weak. Okay, hold on. What if I go closer? What would happen?
You're probably not going to be able to do very much up there.
Well, I always say it's kind of like a wheelbarrow.
Yeah.
It's a leverage effect, right?
Exactly.
All right, let me try another one. Roman, I really want to do better. Hold on a second.
Look at that.
Oh!
Whoa, come on. Don't
Almost.
hurt your back.
Showing a He-Man contest.
That's right.
Almost. All right, so come walk around here with us, Roman.
Throw it on there.
So this part, this is the truck part, right?
Yes.
And
Yep.
this is the where the hitch is.
Yep.
And you actually have a gauge here as well. That's your thing, right?
Exactly. So we measure tongue weight. So with our weight distribution, we measure tongue weight, but also distributed tongue weight. That tongue weight that's being lifted off of the rear axle of the truck and being distributed amongst the trailer and the front end of the truck.
Yeah, exactly. And you have a very sophisticated device, right? You can dial it in, kind of.
Yep. So we have a lead screw. You can do it all together. You don't have to take anything apart. It's all built in to the system.
It's very cool. And I love the gauge, Roman, because you know immediately what you have. You don't have to guess. You don't have to go to the scales, right? You don't have to do any of that. You see the weight. Do you want to try it?
So yeah, not only do we have the digital one here, but you can see our analog and see how well it puts up against the digital one.
Come on, go 1,000. Go 1,000. Yes, you did it. You did it. All right, so that kind of makes sense, right?
Yeah.
Before we look at the hitches, can we look at your treadmill here?
Yeah.
So this is kind of a cool demonstration of what's happening. So is that weight distributed evenly?
Yep. Yep. So when you have a representation of what it means to have good and bad tongue weight in a truck and trailer demonstration. So you have good tongue weight,
Very stable.
big gusts of wind, very stable. Bad tongue weight, all it takes is just a little wind, a little dodge of an obstacle, and then you start getting that trailer sway.
And you basically, all you did is to move this car, backwards towards
Yep.
the back.
Then you move it back forward, and you're back in line.
Yeah, and this is a bumper pull. This is one of the most common the ways people tow.
Yeah.
And basically you want 10% of the total trailer weight on the hitch, approximately,
Yeah,
right?
10 to 15%.
Yeah.
So, a 9,000 pound trailer with everything on it, you're going to need at least 900 to 1,200 pounds tongue weight.
This is a cool display, dude.
We have it here every year, so it always attracts people. People are always interested. So,
Very cool. Well, I see your demo is kind of busy. Do you want to talk about some of the products right now?
absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Let's see.
Trying to think of
So I want to see stuff I haven't seen yet, right? So we
Yeah.
usually use kind of like the aluminum finish.
Yep.
But you also have different finishes.
Yeah, so we have aluminum, we have a Cerakote aluminum, then we have a steel powder coat, a light duty steel powder coat, and then we have our fixed heights, and then the same aluminum and Cerakote in our 180 hitches.
And you have different also hitch sizes. So 2-inch receiver,
Yep.
2.5, and then 3-inch.
We do have a 3-inch.
I saw it here
yeah,
somewhere.
it's right here.
This one can even stow behind just like this, so you don't do that.
Yeah, so that's
Now this is manly.
yeah, that one's a beast.
Yes. So basically like an F350 or
F450.
450s.
Mostly the Fords are the ones that have the 3-inch
yeah,
receivers.
some of the other guys use 2.5-inch receivers. but you're covering all of them. And look at this. I mean, if this was steel,
Drop it.
Don't drop it on your toe.
if this was steel, I probably wouldn't be able to toss it in the air like this.
Definitely wouldn't be able to do that.
This is very cool.
Show me off-road stuff.
Yeah, the off-road recovery stuff.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Reach out anytime.
Oh, dude, you also have camouflage.
Yeah, so every SEMA we do something very special.
Where you live.
So we're gonna
Oh,
transition
can I jump
over
in
to
here?
the simulator.
absolutely.
Before?
See if you can
Can
beat
I
the
jump-
odds today.
All right, all right.
So far, only 2 people have successfully done this. So
Really?
Yes, good luck.
Three.
Three people. Three people. Is this?
So what are you trying to do?
Yeah. So, what's going on here, Braxton?
So this is a truck and trailer towing simulator. So you're first going to experience bad tongue weight, and then the second is you're going to experience good tongue weight. So just tap the gas,
okay.
then it will then
How do I
reload.
reset? Okay.
So if you press B, it'll change your view.
B.
Yeah, and then tap the gas again. So depending on how you want to look out the window.
Okay. Well, like this, like I'm driving.
Okay,
right?
perfect. So tap the gas and then tap it one more time.
Tap it again.
The gas.
Oh, sorry.
Yep, there you go.
All right. So I'm towing side by side.
Yep, bad
This is-
tongue weight.
Okay. All right. So I'm gonna go. I'm accelerating. All right. That's my speed. All
Yep.
right. I see.
You're already off the
Ah!
road.
Okay. This is not
off to a good start.
This is not an eye gauntlet. So, what's the speed limit around here?
None. As fast as you can go.
It's Utah, so
As fast as you can go.
It's Utah.
Without, yep.
Well, but we want to be legal, right? I mean,
80 miles an hour, so yeah.
80 miles an hour. Okay. What are these pillars?
Hey, look out your rear view mirror. You're starting to sway back there.
Oh, I'm starting to sway a little bit. Hold up, hold up, hold up. All right, so where's my brake controller? Can I squeeze my? Where's
that
my
doesn't
brake?
exist in this one.
Oh, jeez.
Watch out for the rocks.
Wait, what? There's rocks? Okay, hold on.
things happen sometimes.
Okay, so I can see now my mirror. Thanks for pointing that out.
Yeah.
And is there a finish line where I'm trying
There-
to get somewhere?
Yep. Yeah. So you'll just hit this next checkpoint, and then you'll be turning right before the tunnel.
All right, so if I did have a brake controller, sometimes, you could grab it if the trailer sways too much. You could grab it and then, whoa, and then you could kind of steady the trailer if the trailer has brakes, right?
Yeah.
Oh, after, oh,
Oh, you're driving like a drunk sailor, Andre.
drunk sailor?
You
Okay.
didn't hit the checkpoint in time. So there you are timed on this. So
Okay.
now you'll experience it with good tongue weight.
All right, let's.
Floor it. Just floor it.
I am.
You're in Utah, dude.
I am.
Floor it, Andre. You're in
pedal.
Utah.
I'm pedal to the metal.
All right.
Okay. Oh, Moab, 54 miles. That's nice. All right. So I'm already going faster than I was before.
Exactly. You'll have a better towing performance in your truck as well as a better towing experience.
And safe experience. That's the most important thing.
Exactly.
Dude, I'm already going 80. Oh, no. There's a Ferrari. There's a, oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
God, Andre. Oh, you got hit by a semi.
oh
Jesus.
no.
Lord help us.
You got negative 2,255 points.
I think this is the worst anybody's done.
It's gotta be close to the
This
worst.
is the managing editor of TFL Truck, Andre. Nice work, dude.
I'm embarrassed. Oh boy. Okay. Should we
fun?
show some other products?
Yeah, why don't you show the off-road stuff? Because apparently the on-road stuff is.
I'm not good at games, all right? I want real trucks, right? Real stuff.
That's exactly right.
So yeah, I mean, you have some fun designs here
Yeah,
too.
we do something different every SEMA. We do something every year. We try to expand our realm of different designs.
And I love this too. So like all the important parts are labeled.
Yep.
So this is a 10,000 pound capacity 2-inch ball.
Yep.
You have 2 and 5/16 balls. Everything is labeled very clearly, so you can see it right up front.
Exactly.
Very cool. And you have a couple. Can we get like an off-road part?
Yeah, they're all hanging up right here. Let me.
Excuse
We're
us.
working on one that's a little bit shorter.
So we have a couple here.
So we have our soft shackle component. You can hook any rope, tow rope, anything in there with your soft shackle. We have a D-ring, our hard shackle, and then we have a hook as well that you can apply to just about anything. And then we do have recovery off-road tow ropes that are kinetic, and that is something that we are
Kind of
we've just
exploring, yeah,
launched.
just
We just
launched.
launched like a month ago. So
And you have different capacities for ropes, right?
Yes.
Smaller ones all the way to the bigger ones.
exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, this is fun. I mean, if you're at SEMA, check it out. And if you're not at SEMA, you could check out our channel.
Yeah.
Because we use these products, your hitches and your off-road recovery points every single week. So
Yeah.
I appreciate it, dude.
Awesome, Andre.